Hi students, so in this video we are going to continue the play The Tempest written by William Shakespeare. So before entering into the play we can sum up the characters and the previous video and then we can enter into the play. Characters. Prospero. So Prospero is the hero of the play The Tempest and he is also the ex-Duke Milan and also father of Miranda. Miranda. Miranda is Prospero's daughter. Ariel. Ariel is a good spirit and also the servant of Prospero. Sycorax. Sycorax is a witch. He imprisoned all the good spirits into a large tree. Caliban. Caliban is a monster and also a son of Sycorax. So Caliban is a slave for Ariel. So Ariel is a good spirit and Caliban is a slave for Ariel because Ariel has been imprisoned by the Sycorax only in a large tree. So Prospero has only released him from the large trees. Not only the Ariel, all the good spirits has been imprisoned by the Sycorax. And once Prospero entered into the island, or Prospero has released all the good spirits from a tree. So Ariel is the enemy for Sycorax. So he is treating as a slave Caliban. Caliban is treated by as a slave for Ariel. Next, Antonio. Antonio is Prospero's brother and Duke of Milan. Alonso. Alonso is a king of Naples and also a friend of Antonio. Next, Ferdinand. Ferdinand is a king of Naples' son. Galanzo. Galanzo is Prospero's friend. Now we can sum up the previous video. So Prospero and Miranda are living in an island. They are the only two humans living in the island. So Prospero and Miranda are living in the cave, and the cave has divided into several apartments. That is, apartment means room. There is a lot of rooms in the cave, and also in one room, Prospero as using as a study room and is one of the best room for Prospero. He loves to read the books. Books means black magic. He used to spend most of his time there, and also he has released all many good spirits from a large tree who has imprisoned means Sycorax has imprisoned all the spirits into a large trees. And after entering into this island, Prospero has released all the good spirits from the large tree. So one of the spirit name is called as Ariel. So he is the chief of all the good spirits, and Ariel used to serve for Prospero. So what are the words and orders given by Prospero? Ariel used to follow it correctly. And also Ariel used to treat as a slave of Caliban. So Caliban is a son of Sycorax. So take Ariel is a Sycorax is an enemy for Ariel, so Ariel used to treat Caliban as a slave. So the alien used to give lot of works for Caliban to take the woods from the woods and to bring and back, and also used to give lot of worries and heavy works to Caliban to take in revenge for Sycorax. Now, with the help of the Ariel good spirit, Prospero has created a dreadful storm in the sea. So now Prospero is showing to Miranda that the peoples who are suffering in the sea are like us. So Miranda and the Prospero or the only person used to live in the island. So Prospero is saying to Miranda that who are suffering in the sea, in the storm, or like themselves means they are also the human beings. On hearing that, Miranda is asking her father, that is Prospero, so why are you creating a dreadful storm using your black magic? So using Prospero's black magic, he can able to order the wind and waves also, not only through the black magic and also with the help of good spirits he can able to order the winds and waves also. So using that good spirits only, he had created a dreadful storm in the sea. So here Prospero is showing to Miranda. So Miranda is asking, with using your good spirit, with using your black magic, why you have created your uh, dreadful storm. On hearing that, Prospero also replying that you don't take care of that, I'll just manage it, and I have ordered to create only a dreadful storm, not to harm any passengers in the ship. And also he is asking that can you remember time before you came to this cell. So he is just asking when you have came to this island. And also I think you cannot, for you went more than 3 years of the age. So in the age, so in the you can't able to remember. So Prospero is asking to Miranda that when can you remember when you have entered into this island. And also he is answering that you how you can able to remember, because you can't able to remember you at that time there you don't have also a ஏஜ் ஆஃப் 3, உனக்கு வந்து அப்போ 3 வயசு கூட ஆகலை, உனக்கு எப்படி வந்துட்டு ஞாபகம் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு கேட்குறான். ஸோ இது வரைக்கும் தான் வந்துட்டு நம்ம வந்துட்டு இங்கே ப்ரீவியஸ் வீடியோவில் பார்த்தோம். இதுதான் வந்துட்டு ப்ரீவியஸ் வீடியோக்கான ஸ்டோரி. நவ் வி கேன் என்டர் இன் டு த கண்டினியூஷன் ஆஃப் த ப்ளே. ஸோ திஸ் பேஜ் இஸ் மிஸ்ட் இன் யோர் புக். இந்த பேஜ் வந்துட்டு இந்த 4 to 5 லைன்ஸ் வந்துட்டு உங்கள் புக்கில் இருக்காது. இது எதுக்கு நான் வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன்னா, யூ கேன் see the red color highlighted line. It seems to me like the recollection of a dream. So இந்த லைன் வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு ஐடென்டிஃபை த ஸ்பீக்கர் ஆர் கேரக்டரில் வந்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு புக் பேக்கில் ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த லைன் உங்கள் புக்கில் எங்கேயுமே இல்லை, உங்களுக்கு அந்த பார்ட் வந்து மிஸ் ஆகிருக்கு. ஸோ இதை நம்ம கண்டினியூட்டாக பார்த்தோன்னா உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு என்னது அந்த ப்ளேவோட ஸ்டோரி வந்துட்டு கண்டினியூஷனாக உங்களுக்கு புரியும். we can see the மிஸ்ஸிங் பார்ட் ஆஃப் த பேஜ். ஸோ இது எங்கே ப்ளேஸ் ஆகும்னா, ஸோ நம்ம என் பண்ணோம் இல்லையா, பேஜ் நம்பர் 21 என் பண்ணதுலேருந்து 22 நம்ம ஆரம்பிக்க போகிறோம் இல்லையா, ஆரம்பிக்கிற லைன்ஸ் என்ன 12 years ago மிரண்டான்னு ஆரம்பிக்கும். ஸோ இந்த 2 பேஜஸ்க்கும் நடுவில் தான் இந்த 2 பேஜஸ்க்கு அங்கே எண்டிங்கும் இங்கே ஸ்டார்டிங்க்கும் நடுவில் தான் இந்த லைன்ஸ் வந்து ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். So now we can see these lines. Certainly I can, sir. So what are the ending lines in the page number 21? Can you remember a time before you came to this cell? I think you cannot, for you went not the 3 years of age. So Prospero is asking to Miranda, can you remember the times that you have entered into this island? And also he is asking this and also he is giving the answer for Miranda that how you can able to remember, because you don't have a 3 age of also. And now we can continue this part. Certainly I can, sir, replied Miranda. So for the question raised by Prospero, Miranda is replying that certainly I can able to remember few parts of my previous life, that is in the age of 3 I can able to remember a little bit. Certainly I can, sir. Sir is represented as here as Prospero only. By what? Asked Prospero. By any other house or person. Tell me what you can remember, my child. So by hearing that, Prospero is asking to Miranda, by what, என்ன உனக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கு, some houses or a person, tell me what you can remember, my child. You can able to remember whether some of the houses or the person, what you can able to remember, tell me, my child. So Prospero is asking to Miranda. Miranda said, it seems to me like the recollection of a dream, but had I not once for so here for not for, but I had not once 4 or 5 women who attended upon me. So Miranda is replying to Prospero that it seems to be a recollection of a dream. இது வந்துட்டு ஒரு கனவு மாதிரி இருக்கு, கனவு வந்து ரீகலெக்ட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி, யோசிச்சு பார்க்குற மாதிரி இருக்கு. But I had not once, so I can also able to attend, remember that 4 or 5 women who had attended me. So the servants who used to work for the princess, right? So they are Prospero is the ex-duke of Milan. So duke means king. So king means there will be, if there is a kingdom means there will be a lot of servants, right? So this little girl can able to remember that 4 or 5 women who used to help that little girl. Okay, so Prospero answered, you had any more? How is it that is still lives in your mind? Do you remember how you came here? So now Prospero is asking, you had any more, you had any more, இன்னும் உனக்கு வேறு ஏதாவது ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? ஸோ மிராண்டா ரிப்ளை தட், எனக்கு வந்து ட்ரீம்ஸ் ரீகலெக்ட் பண்ணி பார்க்குற மாதிரி இருக்குது என் லைஃபே, பட் ஐ கேன் ஐ ஹேட் நாட் ஒன்ஸ், இதை எப்பயோ நான் வந்துட்டு 4 to 5 உமன்ஸ் வந்துட்டு எனக்கு சர்வ் பண்ண மாதிரி, அதாவது என்ன பார்த்துக்கிட்ட மாதிரி ஐ கேன் ஏபிள் டு ரிமெம்பர். மிராண்டா இஸ் சேயிங் தட். ஆனால் on hearing that, Prospero is answering, you had any more, இன்னும் உனக்கு வேறு ஏதாவது ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? How is it that is still lives in your mind? How can you able to remember still in your mind? And the age of not, there is a not age of 3 also at that time, how you can able to remember these and all? இன்னும் உனக்கு எப்படி வந்துட்டு கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் ஞாபகம் இருக்கு? Prospero is asking to Miranda, do you remember how you came here? உனக்கு இங்கே எப்படி வந்து ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? No sir said, I remember nothing more. So Miranda is replying that, no sir, other than that I can't able to remember anything. I can't remember anymore. So this is the missing part in your book. Now we can continue the remaining part of the play in your book. 12 years ago, Miranda. So now he is continuing the flashback. So at the end, what they have the missed part, do you remember how you came here? No sir said, I remember no more. So வந்துட்டு Prospero வந்துட்டு உனக்கு இங்கே எப்படி வந்த ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? So for that Miranda is replying, no, I can't able to remember anymore. Now we can continue the remaining part. 12 years ago, Miranda. 12 years ago. So now they are saying the flashback. Okay, wow. 12 years ago, Miranda, continued Prospero. I was Duke of Milan. So Duke means king. So while I'm saying the meanings of the word, just underline and mention in your pencil side by side. So I was Duke of Milan. The Duke means king, and Milan is a city in Italy. Okay, wow. So I was a Duke of Milan, and you were a princess and my only heir. So heir means here one who, a person legal to the property. So heir means a person legal to the property. In exactly in Tamil, வாரிசு. ஸோ நீ தான் என்னோட ஒரே வாரிசு அப்படின்னு சொல்கிற. You are the, and my only heir means, so he is the only girl, that is he is the only a person to be legal to the property of all the property of Prospero. So you were a princess now, who is a daughter of king is called as a princess, who is the son of king is called as prince. ஓகேவா? புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க, கிங்கோட சன்னா பிரின்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுவோம், கிங்கோட டாட்டர்னா பிரின்சஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ யூ வேர் அ பிரின்சஸ் அண்ட் my only heir. I had a younger brother whose name was Antonio. So Antonio, we saw in the character itself. So Antonio is a brother of Prospero and also the Duke of Milan. So how he became the Duke of Milan, we can see into the story. So whose name was Antonio. So Prospero's younger brother only Antonio. So whose name is Antonio, to whom I trusted everything. So I had trusted everything, so I believed him very much. So Antonio is my younger brother and I trusted him. I have blindly trusted him everything. My brother Antonio, being thus in possession of my power, began to think himself the duke indeed. So I gave him my power. I gave my brother all the power to my brother also. So Prospero is saying to Miranda that I gave him all my power, all the possession of my power. So what and all the respect and what all the powers I have as a king, I gave everything to my younger brother Antonio also. But what he did means began to think himself as the duke of indeed, but he thought that he is the king of the Milan. So he began to think that he has to rule the rule that Milan. The opportunity gave him making himself popular among my subjects awakened in his bad nature a proud ambition to deprive me of my kingdom. So the opportunity that I gave him, so I allowed him what are all the respects I have, and also I gave all the respect to my younger brother Antonio also, and also what are the powers I have in that kingdom, I gave the same powers to my younger brother Antonio also. So what he thought that he must only rule the Milan, and also that opportunity, what are all the opportunity, what are all the powers and respect I gave him, he took that opportunity to become him popular among my subjects. So here subjects is not mentioned as subjects. நாம் படிக்கிறோம் இல்லையா தமிழ் இங்கிலீஷ், that is not as called here as subjects. Subjects means my people in the kingdom. So இங்கே வந்து subjectsங்கிற மீனிங் என்னன்னா my people in the kingdom. So he took the opportunities I gave him. The opportunities I gave him of making himself popular among my subjects. So I gave the opportunity, I allow him to interact with all the peoples in the kingdom. So he took that opportunity among the subjects, awakened his bad nature of proud ambition to deprive me of my kingdom. So among the peoples, as a subject means my peoples in the kingdom. So he took that opportunity and what has started awaken. So awaken அப்படின்னா யூஷுவல் மீனிங் வந்துட்டு ஸ்லீப்பிங்னா வந்து தூங்குறது, அவேக்கன்னா எந்திரிக்கிறது, அதாவது வேக்கப் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, வேக்கப்னா எந்திரி அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம், அதான் அவேக் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகேவா, அவேக்கன். So awaken means he bring out all the proud ambition from his mind. Okay va. So he making him popular among all the peoples in the kingdom. All the bad natures of the proud ambition has bring out from his heart, and also he thought to deprive me. Here me refers to Prospero. Okay va, me refers to me Prospero. So that proud ambition, that is the bad nature of the proud ambition, thought that I need to move away from this kingdom. So deprive அப்படின்னா suffering a severe and damaging lack of basic material. So deprive means suffering a severe and damaging lack of basic material. So without anything I need to move from this kingdom. He thought that I need to move away from this kingdom. Dukedom means kingdom. This he soon effected with the aid. Aid means help. Aid na another help. So this he soon effected with the aid of King of Naples, a powerful prince who was my enemy. So my brother Antonio had relationship with my enemy King of Naples. So King of Naples is a powerful princess, so he is my enemy. So whose enemy? Prospero's enemy. So there is a connection between Antonio and King of Naples. So with the help of King of Naples only, he uh, he uh, he sent me out from the kingdom. So with the help of King Naples only, Antonio had planned everything and uh, affected perfectly for me. So once again we can recall this paragraph. 12 years ago, Miranda continued, Prospero, I was Duke of Milan. You were a princess and my only heir. So 12 years ago. So 12 years ago means before. So 12 years before Miranda. So he Prospero is saying to Miranda, okay, I was a Duke of Milan. So I was a King of Milan and you were the princess and you were the daughter for me. Okay, and you're the only my heir means a a person legal to the property. So the only என்னுடைய ஒரே வாரிசு. I had a younger brother called Antonio, and I gave all my possession, all my powers to him also, but he had taken in incorrect way, and his bad nature and the proud ambition has came out of him with the help of King of Naples, a powerful princess who was an enemy for Prospero. So with the help of King of Naples only, he sent me out of the kingdom. Wherefore, said Miranda, did they not that heart destroy us? So now in present the Miranda and Prospero are talking. Wherefore, said Miranda. So wherefore means for what reason. So wherefore means for what reason. Okay, for what reason, said Miranda, did they not that harsh destroy us? So Miranda is asking to Prospero that for what reason they didn't kill us, they didn't destroy us. Destroyனா இங்கே ஏன் நம்மளை வந்துட்டு கொல்லலை, ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஃபார் வாட் ரீசன் they didn't kill us? So they have sent out of the kingdom, right? So for what reason they did destroy us? So Prospero is replying, my child answered her father. Her father means Prospero. My child answered her father, they dared not. So dear was the love that my people bore me. So they dared not. Dared means they don't have courage to kill me. So dear. So up to this the one meaning, okay, but they don't have any courage to kill me. And also, so dear was the love that my people bore me. Bore means bear past tense, okay, bore means bear past tense. They don't have. So dear was the love. So they have a lot of love and affection. The people of the Milan had lot of affection and love for me, so they didn't destroy me. Can you understand? So Miranda is asking, so they have sent out of the kingdom, and then why they didn't destroy us? Then why the dukedom, that is the kingdom, didn't destroy us? So Prospero is replying that they don't have a courage to kill me, and also all the peoples in the kingdom, all the peoples in the kingdom are very affectionate to me, so they don't have courage to kill me. Antonio carried us on board a ship, and when we were some leagues out of sea, he forced us into a small boat without either tackle, sail, or mast. So now Antonio, now again coming from இதிலிருந்து இது வரைக்கும், மேலேருந்து இது வரைக்கும் வந்துட்டு ப்ரெசண்ட்டில் பேசிக்கிறாங்க. பட் இங்கேருந்து அகெயின் ஃப்ளாஷ்பேக் ஹஸ் ஸ்டார்டட். அகெயின் he is continuing to say what happened before 12 years. Antonio carried us on board a ship. So Antonio carried ஒரு boatல வந்துட்டு ஏற்றி he called us in a ship, and when we were some leagues. So leagues, the actual meaning of leagues அப்படின்னா the actual meaning of leagues is collection of people or collection of country. ஓகேவா சார், தட் இஸ் த மீனிங் ஆஃப் லீக்ஸ். ஓகேவா, ஸோ லீக்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு மீனிங் என்னென்னா கலெக்ஷன் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் அண்ட் கலெக்ஷன் ஆஃப் கண்ட்ரி. பட் இன் திஸ் பிளே த லீக்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு மீனிங் என்னென்னா டிஸ்டன்ஸ். ஓகேவா, லீக்ஸுங்கிறதுக்கு என்னது டிஸ்டன்ஸ். ஓகேவா, ஸோ லீக்ஸுங்கிறதுக்கு என்ன மீனிங் டிஸ்டன்ஸ். So when we were some leagues, some distance out of sea. So after boarding into the ship, we were some leagues out of the sea. So seaல இருந்து கொஞ்சம் தூரம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம். ஓகேவா, so Antonio carried us on a board carry us on board a ship when we were some leagues out of sea. He forced us into a small boat. Antonio forced us to enter into a small boat. Okay va, after reaching some distance from the sea, he forced us to shift into the small boat without either tackle, sail or mast. So tackle means equipments of the sailing. ஓகேவா, நம்ம வந்து படகு வந்து ஓட்டுறதுக்கான எக்யூப்மெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அந்த படகு அதெல்லாம் வந்து எதுவுமே இல்லையா. ஓகேவா, வித்தவுட் எய்தர் த டேக்கிள்ஸ், sail means you can able to see the picture here, sail. ஸோ இந்த பாட்டு இருக்கு இல்லையா, பாய்மரம்னு சொல்லுவாங்க செயில்னா. ஓகேவா, இந்த ஷிப் ஸோ யூ கேன் இந்த பிக்சர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யூ கேன் ஏபிள் டு சி தேர் இஸ் நோ எனி எக்யூப்மெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ there is no sail and also the mastனா the கம்பம் மேலே இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த கம்பம் அது கூட பாருங்க இங்கே எதுவுமே வந்துட்டு இல்லை. ஸோ he forced us into a small boat without either tackle, sail or mast. There he left us, he thought to perish. There he left us in the boat and they went. And also Antonio thought that to perish. ஸோ நாங்களாம் வந்துட்டு இறந்து போயிட்டோம். ஸோ he left us, அந்த இடத்த விட்டு ஆண்டனியோ வந்துட்டு போயிடுறான் வந்த ஷிப்லேயே. இவங்கள ஸ்மால் போட்டில் ஏற்றி விட்டுட்டு, அந்த போட்டில் வந்துட்டு எதுவுமே இல்லை, ஒரு எக்யூப்மெண்ட்ஸ் எதுவுமே இல்லை. ஓகேவா, ஸோ அவனை வந்துட்டு என்ன நினச்சிட்டு போயிட்டான், நாங்களாம் வந்துட்டு அப்படியே இறந்து போகட்டும், டு பெரிஷ். ஆஸ் ஹீ தாட் டு பெரிஷ், நாங்களும் வந்துட்டு அப்படியே இறந்து போகணும், we have to die, he thought, and he went from there. But a kind lord of my court, one Gonzalo. So already we saw the character Gonzalo. In character itself, Gonzalo is a friend of Prospero. So you can see in this picture, this is King of Naples, Antonio, and this is Prospero, and this is Gonzalo. Okay va, so Gonzalo is one of my kind lord of my court, one of the person who used to serve under me. Okay, அவனோட கிங்டம்க்கு கீழே வந்துட்டு என்னது, one of the person who used to serve. ஓகேவா, so one Gonzalo who loved me had privately arranged in the boat. So in which boat? In that small boat, his friend Gonzalo has arranged him without the influence of anybody. யாருக்குமே தெரியாமல் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, he has arranged water, provision means eatable items. Okay, eatable items, apparel means dress, and some books which I prize above my kingdom. So which I prize above my kingdom. So what are all the things that he has loaded in that small boat without knowing anybody means water. So water, provision, apparel, and some books which I praised above my kingdom. ஸோ அந்த புக்ஸை வந்துட்டு என்னது, என் கிங்டம்னா என்னது, பீப்புள்ஸ், அந்த கிங்டம் கீழே இருக்க பீப்புள்ஸ், அந்த பீப்புள்ஸை விட அதிகமாக நான் வந்துட்டு ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுற லவ் பண்ணுற புக்ஸை வந்துட்டும் அவர் வந்துட்டு கான்சலோ வந்துட்டு யாருக்கும் தெரியாமல் வந்துட்டு செட் பண்ணியிருக்காரு. So once again we can recall this. Wherefore said Miranda, did they not that are destroy us. So now, for what reason Miranda is asking to Prospero, for what reason they didn't destroy us? So Prospero is replying that my child answered her father, they dared not, so dear was the love that my people bore me, so they don't have courage to destroy it, and all the peoples in my kingdom loved me, and they are all affectionate to me, so they don't have any courage to kill me. So now coming to Antonio carried us on board a ship, and when we were some leagues out at the sea, he forced us into a small boat without either tackle, sail, or mast. There he left us as he thought to perish. So Antonio has carried Prospero and Miranda into a sea, and after a distance from the sea, he compelled them to get into the small boat, and without any equipments and without sail and without mast, he asked to enter into the small boat, and also he left from there. He thought that Prospero and Miranda to perish, as to die. But a kind lord of my court, one Gonzalo, who loved me, had privately placed in the boat water, provisions, apparel, and some books which I praised above my kingdom. But one of my kindest lord has Gonzalo, the name Gonzalo. He is my friend, Prospero's friend, and also he plays who loved me. He loved me. He is very affectionate to me. He is very a trustful person to me. So he privately placed without anybody's influence. He placed in a boat. What are all the things he has placed? Means water, provision means eatable items, apparel, dress, and some books which I praised above my kingdom, and some of my books which I love more than my kingdom. Oh, my father, said Miranda, what a trouble must I have been to you then. So, Miranda, now coming to the present, Miranda is saying, oh, my father, so sorry for you. She is very sorry for her father. What a trouble must I have been to you. So, what are all the troubleness, what are all the worriness, and what are all the problems I have created for you. So, Miranda is saying to Prospero. No, my love, said Prospero. So, love means here refers to as child or Miranda. No, my love, என்னோட அன்பே. No, my love, said Prospero. You were a little angel that did preserve me. So, you were a little angel that did preserve me. So, you were a little angel, நீ என்னோட குட்டி தேவதை. And that did preserve me. That had preservedனா என்னது, பாதுகாக்கிறது. That had saved me from everything. So you were a little angel to me. Your innocent smile made me bear up against my misfortunes. So all the failures in my life, your innocent smile has encouraged me to get up from my life. என்னதான் எனக்கு தோல்வி இருந்தாலும் உன்னுடைய இன்னசென்ட் ஸ்மைலை பார்த்தோன்னே என்னோட மிஸ்ஃபார்ச்சுன்ஸ்னால் ஃபெயிலியர்ஸ், ஓகேவா, அந்த ஃபெயிலியர்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு என்னால் ஐ கேன் ஏபிள் டு மேட் மீ பியர் அப், என்னால் கரேஜ் கொண்டு வர முடியும். உன்னோட ஸ்மைலை பார்த்தோன்னே என்னோட கரேஜ் எல்லாம் கொண்டு வர முடியுது. என்னது, எனக்கு என்ன தான் ஃபெயிலியர்ஸ் இருந்தாலும், அகெயின்ஸ்ட் மை ஃபெயிலியர்ஸ், என்னுடைய டிஃபிகல்ட்டிஸ் எல்லாம் தாண்டி என்ன பண்ணுறேன், உன்னோட ஸ்மைலை பார்த்தோன்னே நான் எல்லாத்தையுமே வந்துட்டு ஓவர் கம் பண்ணி வர முடியுது. Our food lostered, still we landed on this desert island. Our food lostered till we landed on this desert island. So Gonzalo has kept provisions. Provision means eatable items, that is food. So he is saying, Prospero is saying to Miranda that all the eatable items has been over when we are reaching to this island. Since when my chief delighted had been in teaching you. So since when my chief delighted means the education that I have given to Prospero given to Miranda, right? Since when my chief delighted has been in teaching you, Miranda, and well, you profited by my instructions. So the only thing for me is I have taught you education. So that is the only benefit for me, and also I think you have got benefited by my instructions. இந்த ஒரே விஷயம் நான் உனக்கு வந்துட்டு பாடம் சொல்லி கொடுத்தது தான், ஒன்லி ப்ராஃபிட்டபிள் திங் அதுதான். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ திங்க் நீயும் வந்துட்டு அதை என்னோட இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் வந்து ப்ராஃபிட்டபிளாக தான் வந்து நீ நினைப்ப அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு Prospero is saying to Miranda. Once again we can recall, "Oh my father," said Miranda, "what a trouble must I have been to you then." Oh my father, so I'm very sorry for you. So Miranda is saying to Prospero, at the small age I'll be more trouble for you. அந்த சின்ன வயசில் உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு எனக்கு ரொம்ப பெரிய ட்ரபிள் கொடுத்துருப்பேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு Miranda is saying to Prospero. So Prospero is replying that, "No, my love," said Prospero. "You were a little angel to me. You had preserved me, and with your when I'm seeing your innocent smile, I can able to overcome all my difficulties in my life." And while entering into the desert of this island, we have lost all our food also. Since then, apart from everything, I have a delight, I have a happiness in teaching you. I have since when my chief delighted. So one the only happiness is this, I have taught you something. உனக்கு வந்துட்டு ஏதோ ஒன்று வந்துட்டு சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கேன் அப்படிங்கிற ஹாப்பினஸ் மட்டும்தான். எல்லா டிஃபிகல்ட்டிஸ், I have lot of difficulties in my life, but I have taught you. That is the only happiness in my life. And well, you have profited by my instructions. And also Prospero is saying to Miranda that, and I think you have got some profitable from my education, that is from my teaching. ஸோ Prospero வந்து மிராண்டா கிட்ட கேட்குறாங்க, ஸோ நான் உனக்கு வந்துட்டு சொல்லி கொடுத்ததில் உனக்கு கொஞ்சமாவது வந்துட்டு கண்டிப்பாக உன் லைஃப்க்கு வந்து யூஸ்ஃபுல்னஸாக தான் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு நம்புகிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு Prospero வந்து மிராண்டா கிட்ட சொல்கிறாங்க. "Heaven thank you, my dear father." So Miranda is thanking her father. Heaven thank you அப்படின்னா எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு நீ எப்படி வந்துட்டு அது யூஸ்ஃபுல் இல்லாமல் போகும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு heaven thank you. He is thanking her father in a grateful manner. Heaven thank you, my dear father, said Miranda. Now tell me, sir, your reason for raising this sea storm. Now tell me, sir, your reason for raising this sea storm. So now again coming to the present, Miranda is asking, so all the flashbacks has been Prospero has been narrated to Miranda. Now again coming to the present, Miranda is asking to his father, Prospero, so now tell me, so for what reason you have raised this sea storm. So remaining part of the play we can continue in next video. Thank you.